It's a wonderful opportunity to eat some great food. The environment and the people are so friendly. It's a great experience.
Relying primarily on word of mouth for publicity, Cookout now has more than 50,000 users. It plans to expand throughout Argentina and launch in 8 U.S. cities by the end of 2014. Steve Rhodes, CCTV.
As I announced earlier, we talked to President Stephen King in Tel Aviv. She told us that while Israel is weighing more sanctions against Palestinians, many are questioning the coast guards have been shut off the Palestinian people.
It's impossible to know whether this deal with labor food is not a lot of hope for it. There's not a lot of optimism that this reconciliation deal will go through. And the sides are watching. They say that there will be developments. But again, not a lot of optimism is surrounding it. One Palestinian leader, a figure, used to yesterday in a public statement saying that if there would be any deal with Hamas, part of that deal would be to recognize Israel. That remains to be seen. But again, not a lot of optimism surrounding this, and some have speculated even that this was a move on the part of Fatah that has been negotiating with Israel to apply pressure to Israel to get back to the negotiations table and perhaps gain some ground before the negotiations would begin again. But again, whether this reunification will happen, whether the collaboration will happen and succeed, only time will tell.
That's our correspondent Stephen King from Tel Aviv. All right, it's 13 minutes past the hour. You're watching News Update on CCTV News. Still ahead in the program. US President Barack Obama hosts talks with his South Korean counterpart in Seoul on the possibility of the DPRK conducting another nuclear test. And the death toll from the capsized South Korean ferry rises to 185 as divers searching the ship find Kevin's ground reports. Stay with us.